For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Tired of running out of ice when you need it most? Let me show you how the Frigidaire 𝐈𝐒𝐬𝐢𝐭 solves that problem. The Frigidaire 𝐈𝐒𝐬𝐢𝐭 Countertop Ice Maker is a lifesaver if you need ice fast and hassle-free. I've been using this ice maker at home, and honestly, it's a game changer for parties and daily drinks. Just make sure to check its size and weight first so it fits your counter. Its large capacity is impressive. With the reservoir under the ice basket, it can make up to 26 pounds of clear ice cubes per day. During a small get-together last weekend, it kept everyone's drinks cold without me having to refill constantly. The ice bucket holds 2.2 pounds at a time, so you always have ice ready when you need it. Using it is super easy. In under 6 minutes, you get perfect ice cubes. The digital control panel tells you when the water is empty or the bin is full, and the indicator light flashes when ice is ready. One evening, I just pressed start while cooking, and within minutes, I had fresh ice for drinks. So convenient. You can also choose between 2 ice cube sizes, and the large transparent window lets you watch the ice being made, which I personally find satisfying. The self-cleaning feature is another big plus. Just plug it in, hold the on-off button for 5 seconds, and the program runs for 30 minutes. After that, drain the water and wipe the inside. I tried this after a week of heavy use, and it kept the machine clean with almost no effort. In short, the Frigidaire 𝐈𝐒𝐬𝐢𝐭 is reliable, easy to use, and built for everyday or party use. If you want ice ready in minutes without any fuss, this countertop ice maker delivers exactly that.